Hello, this is Jennifer Pruitt. It is Tuesday, February 13th, so I'm a little late putting this up. This week was a lot more work, a lot more researching, or reading and memorizing and figuring out where things go. So this week, we're learning about the 206 bones in the skeleton, what they do, where they're at. Also, this particular assignment, we are recording the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton includes your anterior skull, which is your nasal area here, your ethmoid, your zygomatic, lacrimal, your maxilla, your mandible, your frontal, and your vomer. Then you have your posterior skull. Here's your mandible, your occipital, your parietal, your temporal here, which is actually in the back. Then you have your lateral skull, which is from the side. You have your frontal, your lacrimal, your ethmoid, your nasal, your occipital, and your occipital, and then your parietal here in the back. You also have axial part is part of your inferior skull, which is your ethmoid, your frontal, occipital, parietal, your sphenoid, and your temporal over here on the side. Also part of the axial skeleton is your atlas, the top of your spine here, and then your bottom, which is your axis, your cervical vertebrae here, your coccyx down here, the lumbar vertebrae, the sacrum, and then your thoracic vertebrae here. Also part of the axial skeleton is your thoracic cage, which is in this region. You have your body of the sternum, your false ribs, your floating ribs, which are down here at the bottom, false ribs, and then regular ribs are up top here, 1 through 7. The manubrium of the sternum is the very top here, and then your true ribs, which are here, the 1 through 7. Then we have your appendicular skeleton, which includes your pelvic girdle and your upper limbs, your clavicle bone, which is here, your humerus, right here, your radius, and then your ulna, which is the smaller of the two, and then also your scapula here. Also included in the appendicular skeleton is your hands and your wrists. These little guys here, your capate, your hamate, your lunate, scaphoid, sesamoid, and your trapezium. We can see that little one, it's a trapezium. Your appendicular skeleton also includes the little ones, your metacarpal, your phalanges, which is your little fingers, your pisiform, trapezoid, and triquetrium. Also included in the appendicular skeleton is your ilium, your pelvic girdle and lower limbs here, your ilium, your ischium, your pubic bone, your femur, your patella, your tibia and fibia, your ankle and your foot, your calcaneus, your cuboid, your intermediate cuneiform, your lateral cuneiform, your medial cuneiform, and if you can see the front there, your metatarsal here, your navicular, your phalanges, your little toes, and your talus. And that would be it for your axial and appendicular skeletons. Okay, thank you.